Hello, this is Michael W. Ford. I would like to present, for a few moments, some information on my newest book, entitled Infernal Union, Sinister Initiation and the Satanic Psalms. This work is a bit over 300 pages and was written over a period of time of what I call cyclic initiations, meaning that I work on these through cycles of different types of works. So I would work on the Infernal Union Grimoire for a period of time and then work on another work that I'm proceeding through simultaneously. Never at the same time, but always within a cycle period through the years. So Infernal Union is an advanced and yet simplistic focus on Luciferian initiation into the merciless realm of the adversary and its many masks of Gnosis through the sinister grimoire and the Satanic Psalms presented within. And throughout this book, aspirants and adepts shall seek initiation or inspiration towards initiation into the cultus of Diabolus and the great dragon of the abyss. And I fully encourage Luciferians who are interested in black magical aspects of what is the triad of the morning star: liberation, illumination, and apotheosis. The essence of the grimoire, thus its title Infernal Union, is based around the Citra or the Qliphoth, being the union of Samael and Lilith, and that alchemical process in more heretical Kabbalah, of which they fight against but Luciferians embrace, of the Black Mirror or the Citra being opened from within your own initiatory meditations and path workings to where there becomes an abyss that opens up in the process. So the first part of the grimoire is the exploration of the anti-trinity, which is a medieval concept that derives from the Antichrist tradition, being the dragon, Satan or Father, the beast or Antichrist, and the spirit of evil or darkness, which is Lilith, of which all are interconnected within one aspect. It's not a replacement of the trinity of the maiden, the mother, and the crone, but rather a mirror to go outside of the religion of the Christian Trinity. The anti-Trinity is a mirror into the darkness and towards the power of the light internal. Within Infernal Union are also the exploration of the heretical Christian sects of the medieval period, from the Bogomils to the Cathars, all derived from Manichaeism and Zervanite teachings, to where in Gnostic works, Satan or Samael, Yeltaroth, is the Gnostic archon, the creator and lord of the world. And the Satanic Missal are a series of ceremonial invocations and hymns to the adversary and Lilith in many different forms. This grimoire proceeds to the Citra and invoking and working through specifically Malkuth and Yesod being of Lilith under her authority, and the place in which Leviathan or the Ouroboros Tannin unites Samael and Lilith, begetting Chiva or the beast, that is the black magician or Luciferian. I highly recommend this grimoire to anyone interested in those aspects, from not only a ritualistic standpoint, from a psychological and a philosophical application of this specific avenue of Luciferian teaching. This book is available in softcover, hardcover through Luciferian Apotheca, and will be available throughout the major book retailers across the world, and some hardcover limited editions from Manus Sinistra as well. But I hope that you will use this grimoire to inspire and open gates of the Sitaratra in honor of the adversary. Thank you very much.